Hello, Sula here from MistyHillTuffs.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a card that I titled Welcome Little One, and I'm using a paper from the pack Good Night from Panalisa. So I'm using this paper there, and all I need to do is just cut it to size. I'm using an A2 size, a classic card size, and so I'm just cutting it to that A2 size, which I think is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 or something size. And this paper, some of my papers cut really badly with my trimmer, so I just need to cut the edges one more time with my scissors just to remove a lot of the fuzz that's there. There are just a lot of fringes and stuff. So anyway, then I am ready to put this paper onto my card background, which is a simple cardstock that I use for that. And then I created a label, and I used one of my dies and then watercolored it with the similar color that is on the paper. I tried to work with the colors on the paper, and I die cut the words welcome little one, and the welcome I left white because there's also white on this paper, and then the little one words I did watercolor with the same kind of watercolor pattern, or maybe I just used just a light blue cardstock. I think that's what I did for this one. I had a matching cardstock there, and just used that. And then I stamped these little just baby themed little stamps there, and just fussy cut them, left them white because I didn't want everything to be too much color. And so I think with a black stamp ink, I think that works pretty well. So now all I need to do is just add that to the card there in the center of the card, and then these little embellishments I will put on the bottom and the top there. I'm just trying to figure out how to put them there, and this is my card done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.